Aerial photography has seen a tremendous growth for the past few years, with a number of drones coming to the market. DJI leading the pack has produced several amazing drones, but there's this little beast that we'll all talk about. That is the DJI Mini 2. Actually, this is my first drone, and I have done more than 150 flights, covered more than 80 kilometers, and more than 12 hours of flight time. So you can imagine the amount of power that this beast has. I've been flying the Mini 2 for 2 years now, and this drone has surprised me in so many ways. Here are the quick features of this drone. This drone has 30 minutes flight time, over 10 kilometers transmission distance. It's able to shoot 4K at 30 frames per second, and it has level 5 wind resistance. The Mini 2 doesn't have safety features like obstacle avoidance and some flight mode like tracking, but it has all safety features and all characteristics that one can expect from a drone. Even though the Mini 2 doesn't have a good camera like the Mini 3, the images and the video captured by this drone are pretty good. Before the Mini 2 was born, there used to be a Mini SE. The Mini SE used to have a Wi-Fi transmission. But the problem with that drone was, when it comes to flying, you could not get a good distance, especially when you are flying to a Wi-Fi congested areas. But the case is different with the Mini 2, because the Mini 2 uses the OcuSync 2. The OcuSync 2 is able to give you a transmission distance of more than 10 kilometers. So you're going to get a good range and a better image and video transmission, even if you're flying in areas that are highly congested with Wi-Fi. And in case anything goes wrong while you're flying this drone, you just have to click the on button in the control, and it will take you back to where the drone started flying from. Since we're talking about the buttons, there are several buttons down there, you know what to do. So, here comes our biggest question. Is the Mini 2 still worth it in 2023? And my good answer is absolutely yes. This drone is really worth it. If you get someone who is selling it outside there at a good price, you can just get this drone and start flying with this drone. It's very good for beginner, but it's not a beginner drone. This is a professional drone. It shoots 4K in 30 frames per second. A drone that is able to give you a transmission distance of more than 10 kilometers, being able to fly 30 minutes of flight time. So to me, it's a yes. This drone is worth it in 2023, and I recommend it to anyone who wants to have a drone. Now that's it guys for this video, and until next time, see you guys in the next one.